My camera had a malfunction. $2736. Some short grain hoppers and 2 long grain hoppers. I wonder what train this was. All right, our next train that we're going to get is Amtrak 91. We will be at the next crossing momentarily. All right, here's our next train. Amtrak 91. It's a weak horn. There goes Amtrak 91. And from Tampa, Florida, this is Alex, the railfanning redneck. And I'm going to be getting the next, and I'm going to find out what the next train is for this railfanning trip.